Hey guys, welcome back and welcome if you're new. It's Naomi Sarah here, and in today's video I'm going to talk to you guys about black rice water. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So I don't know if you guys have seen on YouTube lately, but there's a lot of people talking about black rice water all of a sudden. One person that I did see who did post a video on it was Maryam Hampton, and she has a lot of awesome natural hair tutorials. Her hair is amazing. She's had great success using rice water, and she wanted to give her initial impression on black rice water. So I saw that video and I was like, I think I'm gonna try it out, because to be honest, I tried the rice water and I didn't find that the results were as great as everybody says. Although I did find that my hair got thicker and it did grow a bit faster, I did notice that I had a lot of shedding, a lot more shedding than usual. So that was kind of a warning sign for me not to continue using it as often as I was, because I did want to just kind of do a challenge with myself to see if this stuff really works as well as everyone says it does. And I was using it once a week for 4 weeks straight. And that is definitely something I'm not going to continue doing, because now I know that my hair cannot handle all the protein. And although I was doing a lot of moisturizing treatments after I applied the rice water, it didn't help that much at all. And I was still experiencing a lot of shedding. So I wanted to try the black rice water because apparently it has increased benefits. So apparently it's more effective and it works faster and better than white rice water. So I decided to give it a try for myself. And you make it the same way that you make the regular rice water. If you guys want to see how I made my rice water, I'll link that above and in the description box. So you guys definitely check that out if you haven't seen it already. It's super easy. If you want to ferment your rice, you're going to leave that for 24 hours or overnight. And if you just want to use it as soon as you can and you don't want to ferment it, then you can just leave it for a few hours. Like, not even, you could leave it for 15 minutes and then use it. You would still have some of the benefits of the rice water, but it is better to ferment it if you want to use it for hair growth. So I left mine overnight, and I'll insert the clips of me applying it to my hair. I mean, it was the same way that I applied the regular rice water. The only difference was that for this one, I used my applicator bottle. You can use your spray bottle or an applicator bottle. It's less messy if you use a spray bottle. You know, you can put it more where you want it. I found with the applicator bottle, it was super messy. I had to put a towel on the floor to not make a huge mess. But it was good to get my scalp with, since I could put it exactly where I wanted, and I made sure to massage my scalp. And I just left that on my hair for about 20 minutes with heat. And immediately I noticed that it was a lot easier to comb my hair through with my Denman brush to detangle. It does add slip, surprisingly, even though it's just like rice and water. But yeah, it's really good for detangling, and it also made my hair really soft after I finished applying the heat right before I rinsed it out. So that was pretty awesome. I didn't experience that as much with the regular rice water. It could be because I didn't leave it on for as long. Before, I was just leaving it for 10 minutes just because I wasn't too sure how long I should leave it on for, but this time I left it for 20 minutes and it was good. Like, I had good results after. And then after, you're just gonna rinse that out and then apply your deep conditioner. And I used a really moisturizing deep conditioner because I did notice that I think I was protein sensitive before, so I really wanted to tackle that ahead of time before it became an issue. So my results were really great. My hair was really defined after I rinsed out my my deep conditioner, and these are the results after I've styled my hair. And you guys can see, like, my hair is very shiny, it's very defined. Yeah, my hair is getting longer and it's getting thicker, although there are still some spots where I want to grow my hair back. I'm getting a lot of new growth. So let me know, guys, if you've tried rice water, or if you've even heard of black rice water before, if you've tried it or if you want to. I find that I would probably continue using the black rice instead of the white rice. And by the way, both rices that I bought were organic, so you have to be careful because there are some fake rice out there on the market. Hopefully they're not selling them in our supermarkets, but who knows. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And yeah, that's it for this one, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!